All right. Let's start by creating an environment where we can program. We're going to build this stats program so that it can be, so that people can work it online. Our first step is to go into a place called Github. You'll want to create an account in there. Here's my account. And we're going to make a brand new repository. I have 28 of them in there, but I'm going to make a new one. And I'm going to name this repository Python _ stat _ tools _ 2024. Let's see, I'm going to make it public. We'll make a README file, and we'll recreate that repository. Okay, it's made. This is where we're going to store our code. Now, the way we want to edit our code is if I go into code and Codespaces right here, I'm going to create a code space so I can edit this repository. Now, okay, so now it's made. And we can start adding files in here. This is our file explorer over here. A couple of files that we want. Well, here's our README file. All it says is the title of it. I don't really need to edit that much. But a good thing to have in all of your repositories is this file called requirements. These are packages that we're going to be using as we build our program. And when we put our program online, it will look in this file and install all of those packages on whatever environment you're working in. The first one is called Streamlit. Streamlit is a place where I can put my Python program online and have it be interactive with someone. NumPy is it's like a giant calculator for Python. Has all the mathematical functions in it. Pandas is for databases. Plotly Express is for graphing data. SciPy is numerical functions. Again, we'll deal with those anyway. If you want to install all these packages, you can install them one at a time. Like if I wanted to install pip install Streamlit, it will install that one package along with all of his friends. So you see all of his friends here: Zip, Watchdog, Validators, blah, 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 and Streamlit. So they're all installed. The program's giving me this message that I'm using a version of pip that is 23.3.1, and there's a newer version out called 3.2. If I want to upgrade to it, I can use this code. That uninstalls the 23.1 and installs the 23.3.2. But if I want to install all of these packages at once, I can take this, pip install, and then reads out all of the packages that are in the entire file. I'm going to put those on. We'll install everything that's not already installed. Okay, that's done. The next thing I want to put in here is, because we're going to be doing multiple pages in our Python project, I'm going to install this file, this Python file, .py. And because it's .py and it's Python, the program is recognizing, oh, you want to do Python programming? Do you want to install the Python extension? Yes, please, install the Python extension. So that's installed. Let's go back over here. Let's see, you have depreciated linting for the formatting. That's fine. Go back over to the files, and I'm looking at this one multi-app file. It's going to import Streamlit. It's going to take all of the apps that I haven't started yet, and it will give each one of them a title and make it one of the functions in the application. Let's see, I have a sidebar here, and it's going to be called Python Stat Tools. I'm going to put my name on it. It's going to attach a Google spreadsheet, which we'll talk about next time. The next app I'm going to pull over is, it's like the main app. It's going to be like the mom of all the baby apps. So the multi-app is this thing right here. From multi-app, import multi-app. So it's going to import this class called multi-app. And then from apps, it's going to import this program called aquant. But you see how it's underlined right here because it doesn't know what apps is yet. So I'm going to pull over a folder with that one app in it. So there's that one file that's inside there. Apps is okay now because it knows what apps is now. And I think we have everything to get started. So I am going to launch the program by typing this: Streamlit run app.py. It's going to think for a second. And I'm going to open the program in the browser. Notice it's running. So here's all the pieces that we have so far. I'm not going to explain how these pieces are built today. I'm going to build it in the next video, but this is the basis of all of this. I am going to put I'm going to put the link to all the code in the video. But what this program does is, here's the data that comes in from the Google Sheet. And they can do different graphing techniques for the data. You can pick different categories and such, but I'll explain all of this in the next video. But what I'm going to do right now is, because this is where I'm going to stop for today,